quick video explaining how to find where two lines meet. This same technique can be applied to find where any two curves meet as well. So we've been asked to find where the lines 3x plus 4y plus 2 equals 0 and the line 5x plus 8y minus 12 equals 0 meet. So probably the best thing to do, just to communicate clearly what you're doing, is just to label each of these equations as equation 1 and equation 2. Now what we need to do is try and make the coefficient of either the x or the y the same in both equations. Looking at these, 3 and 5, well, they can be made the same, but I'm going to have to multiply equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 3 to get a coefficient of 15. That's fine, it will work, but I'm starting to get quite large numbers. If I look at the y coefficients, I can see that all I need to do to get the coefficients the same is to double this top equation. That will give me 8y on the top and an 8y on the bottom. So that's what we're going to do. Two lots of equation 1 will give me 6x plus 8y plus 4 equals 0. Equation 2 we can keep exactly the same. So now what we can do, if we do two lots of equation 1, take away equation 2, that's going to give us 6x, take away 5x, so we're taking the 6x's from here and take away the 5x's from equation 1. That just leaves us with a single x. By design, the y terms will cancel out. The whole point of multiplying this equation by 2 was to get 8y and 8y, so when we subtract them from each other, we will have no y terms left. Similarly, we're going to have minus 12 take away 4 take away minus 12. That's going to give us positive 16 equals 0. Therefore, we can see that x must be minus 16. All we need to do now is substitute this result back into here. We can choose either one of these equations. I'm probably going to go with equation 1 just because it's got slightly smaller numbers. That usually means it's going to be a little bit easier. So looking at equation 1, we're going to have 3 times minus 16, as we now know our x value. So that's going to give us 3 lots of minus 16 plus 4y plus 2 equals 0. 3 lots of negative 16 is minus 48 plus 4y plus 2 equals 0. Telling us that 4y is equal to 46. Y is going to be 46 over 4 is 23 over 2. We've got our coordinate. Let's just make sure that we write the coordinate because it does. We would be looking for the point where they meet. We found where they meet by eliminating one of the variables. We always need to eliminate one variable when solving simultaneous equations. We'll see more of that when we're solving simultaneous quadratic equations later on.